In this case study question, it is given that every year we celebrate Mother's Day and Women's Day to show our love and respect to important women in our lives. But even today, there is a major chunk of women in India who are deprived of their basic rights and needs regarding their health issues. This year, on the occasion of International Women's Day, on 8th March, a health checkup camp for women had been organized in all DAY schools of Odisha. Along with the checkup of their other health problems, their heartbeats per minute were also checked. So table given below shows the data of the number of heartbeats per minute for 50 women. So number of heartbeats per minute is given, okay, and number of women in each category, in each class. Now we'll go to the what is the median class of the above data. See, to find median, we should find CF here. So 65 to 68. These are the classes. And these are the frequencies. CF we should find. CF for to find CF first frequency should be same. Then zigzag addition we should do. 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 15 32. It will be 8. 8 plus 7 sorry 32 plus 8 is 40. 47. 47 plus 3 50. This number should match the total number of women and it is given 50. Okay. So n is 50 here. N is 50. N by 2 we will find which is 25. So nearest greater 25 we should find in CF which is 32. So this will be our median class 74 to 77. So B option is correct. The lower limit of model class. So for model class we should find in which class number of women are more. So in this class number of women are more. So this will be our model class 74 to 77 and lower limit of this will be 74. What is the sum of lower limit of the median class and model class? See, lower limit of median class was 74 to 77. So lower limit will be 74. Okay, this is for median class. And same model class also we have same. So lower limit of the model class is also 74. So if we add them, because sum we should find, so we will get 148, which is option D. Class mark of the group into which least number of women belong to. So least number of women belong to this particular class. Okay, 3 is the least number and belongs to this class. Now how to find class mark? We can do lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. Okay, so this will be 9. 169 by 2. If we divide this by 2, we will get 2 8s are, then 2 4s are 8 and 5. 84.5 is the answer. What are the average heartbeats per minute? So average heartbeat per minute means mean we should find here. Okay, so to find mean, class mark we should know. 65 to 68 given. So frequencies are 5, 7, 5, 15, 8, 7, 3. Okay, class mark we should find. So what we can do to find class mark? We will H by 2 we can do. H is class size. So h by 2 means 3 by 2, which is 1.5. So 1.5 we can add in each lower limit. So it will be 66.5, 69.5 and 72.5. Now if you see 3 difference is there, isn't it? So you can add 3 in each previous class mark also, or otherwise 1.5 we can add in each lower limit of the class. Okay, so this is xi, this is fi. Now fi xi will be very large. So what we will do, we'll use step division method here. So xi, ui we will find here. Ui will be xi minus a by h. A is assumed mean. So suppose 75.5 is assumed mean. So 66.5 minus 75.5 divided by h. So this will give 9 by 8, 9 by 3. Okay, 66.5 minus 75.5 is 9. 9 and h is class size, which is 3, 9 by 3. So minus 3. It will give minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And anyway there is a trick, you can write in front of assuming, you can write 0 and then minus 1, minus 2. You can check for 1. Means suppose 72.5 minus 75.5 is minus 3 by 3 minus 1. Okay, so this one we can check and then we can continue minus 2, minus 3 and similarly positive we will write down. Now fi ui we will find, that will be easy. Minus 15 minus 14 minus 5 0 8 14 9. So average heartbeat will be a plus fi ui summation fi into h. A we assumed as 75.5. Summation fi ui will be, this 14 will go, 9 plus 8, 17 minus 20, that is minus 3. H is 3, fi is 50, 50 women are there, minus 9 by 50. So if you multiply with 2, we will get 75.5 minus 18 by 100, means 75.5 minus 0.18, which will give 75.32. Okay, so which is option B. So option B is correct.